And that usually comes down to, what do you need the court's help with? So we used to call this a probate application, and we still call it that just for easy use, but you have to apply to the court in cases where there are assets that you need the court's approval to deal with those assets. So what you want to get from the court is a certificate that says, here is the estate trustee, this is the person named in the will, they have the court's authority to deal with these assets. The most common thing that you need probate for is when somebody has a house. Again, if they're joint house with a spouse, they own it as joint tenants, that house will just pass on to the surviving spouse. But when it's time for the kids to sell mom and dad's house, you're going to need the court's approval. So when it comes to actually selling a house, that's something that we can help you with, of course. I don't do the real estate law, but Ryan and Sarah here at the office do that too, as do Paul and Vince. If you need the court's authority, that's going to take a little bit of time, and that time depends on the jurisdiction where the deceased person lives. Here in Burlington, Oakville, Milton, we get to go to court in Milton, which is one of the quicker courts, not as busy as Toronto or Hamilton, and we get pretty good results there.